Sales quota mo, suntok sa buwan? Dati wala akong alam tungkol dyan. Basta benta lang kami ng benta, tapos lately, from my franchisors, doon ko natutunan na kailangan pala namin merong mga sales targets at sales quota. And that was when we started. So, may nagtanong, how do you do it, Mami M? Well, first of all, we need to have historical numbers. Alam mo ba ang benta ng store mo every month, at least in the last 12 months? Do you know your net profit in those months? If you have more than 12 months data, mas mabuti. Dahil pwede mong makita ang mga monthly trends mo. So, once you have your numbers, tanungin mo yung sarili mo, how much net profit do you want in the next 12 months? For example, if you want to make 10% more than what you did before, then a simple way is to just add 10% to the sales of your historical monthly data. Yan ang mga sales targets mo in the next 12 months. And kung dalawa ang sales staff mo, i-divide mo yung monthly target by 2 para tig-isa sila. Yan ang magiging sales quota ng bawat isa sa kanila. Madaling gawin to sa Excel or sa Google Sheets, especially if you are a business-minded Pinoy.